Bows, this is Charles Medium Soundbank, and I wanted to apologize to you guys because I haven't been uploading recently. Uh, just going through some life bumps, and then I ended up getting sick. But I'm back to working on videos, and I have plenty of videos in store for the future. But with that being said, today you're going to be learning how to make this sound. And this is what it'll sound like in a track.
1, 2, 3, 50 stacks looking good.
All right, and let's get into it. That song was at 190 BPM, so we're going to increase it to that. We're going to need a serum, and these are the notes that were used. So the first thing we're going to do is go to oscillator A. We're going to switch it to basic shapes. Turn wavetable position to 2. Turn on FM from B. Move this up to 31. We're going to turn the unison up to 4. Bring the detune down to 0.01. We'll leave the blend at 75. Bring the randomness down. We'll turn the octave up 2. Turn on oscillator B. Turn the octave up 4, switch to basic shapes, to wavetable position 2, turn on the bend plus minus, and turn it to 100%, bring down the randomness. We're going to use LFO1, we're going to turn on trigger, and we're going to make this sort of shape. We'll put LFO1 on F and from B, and we'll bring it down to 19. Put LFO1 on level, bring this down to negative 18. We'll go ahead and turn on the filter, turn on B and key tracking, turn on high 24, bring the cutoff all the way down, take LFO1, put it on the cutoff, bring the cutoff to 42, bring the resonance up to 81, increase the drive to 39, and we'll take LFO1, put it on the octave, and don't touch it. We'll go over here to the FX, we're going to turn on EQ, bring the frequency We'll bring the frequency down to 60, push the gain up to 9.3. We'll leave the Q the same. We'll turn on these peaks, push this gain up to about 7.2, increase this gain to about 8.6, and we'll move the frequency to about 7186. We'll turn on the compressor, turn on the multiband, and then we'll go ahead and turn on distortion and increase the drive to about 71. After that, we'll go ahead and move it into a mixer track. This is what it should sound like right now. For this, we're going to go ahead and put on the delay bank, bring the time down to about 0.06. We'll go ahead and turn on a OTT. For slot 3, add a parametric EQ2. We'll cut out the lows, bring it up to 126 hertz. I'm going to take the 5 band, pull it down just a little bit, increase 7 just a little bit. We'll go ahead and add a fruity distortion. We'll bring the mix down to about 20%. And for slot 5, we'll go ahead and add a fruity limiter. Turn on compression, bring the threshold down to minus 19.4, and increase the ratio to about 5.1. We'll go ahead and open up serum again. We'll increase this to 12 semitones, bring this down 12 semitones, and we will increase the range to 12 on here. And then we will create an automation clip. We're going to take it, stretch it out to this far, and then we'll just cut it and then repaste the pitch line. And to get it exactly the way that I did it, you would just clone, get rid of the F3s on the pitch bending one, and add them, and make sure the pitch is okay on the cloned one and not stuck in a random position. And the link on the screen is a playthrough of the entire track itself. If you'd like to listen to it, leave some comments on which sounds you would like for me to do a tutorial on next, as well as increase the views on that video to get the free FLP. Thank you guys for subscribing.